We guide you through how to switch back to old icons on iOS 26. So the first thing you need to do is go to your Settings app and scroll down to Display and Brightness. Then check if the icon style or app appearance option is available depending on your device model. From there, switch from the new default icon pack back to classic or standard icons if the option is present. But if you don't see it, here's the workaround. Open the Shortcuts app, tap the plus icon on the top right, then tap Add Action. Choose Open App. Select the app you want to customize. Tap the drop-down arrow, press Add to Home Screen, then tap the icon image to choose a photo that matches the old iOS icon style, which you can download online. Rename it to the app's original name and tap Add. Repeat this process for each app you want to restore, and for a cleaner look, you can hide the original apps by long pressing them, selecting Remove from the home screen, so only your classic style icon remain visible.